Hey guys, we are all aware of global conflicts, okay? We read about global conflicts on a daily basis, okay? So what are the reasons for global conflict? Obviously, there are a lot of reasons, okay? There are reasons, there are greeds, there are human greeds, and there are a lot of other things, okay? But what are the solutions? I believe peace talks are the only solution. Diplomacy is the only solution, okay? So how do we do that? I believe youth has that potential, youth have the responsibility, and youth has the power to bring. Youth, if given the opportunity, has that power, has the idea, has that responsibility, has those all kind of qualities that is required for global solution. And how do we do that? ISAC. ISAC is one of the many platforms, okay? So what really is ISAC? ISAC is a global platform, okay, that brings the youth from all across the globe in a single place, okay, where they discuss global problems and we try to figure out the global solution, okay. That is the one of the best opportunities that ISAC provide. It provides you with that leadership role. At the same time, it provides you with the cross-cultural exchange. What does cross-cultural exchange means? Cross-cultural exchange, obviously it means that people from around the world with different culture, different background, different region, different countries come together for internship program, for volunteer program, for becoming a member, where they share their ideas, they share their vision in order to combat the global problems that the world is facing, okay? It's not just about a particular region, but the solutions are applicable for the global world. And how do ISAC do it? So ISAC has been functioning in more than 100 plus countries with thousands of members working at a grassroots level, okay? What we personally believe, global problem require local solutions. So that is what ISAC is doing. ISAC is providing the regional partners, regional players, an opportunity for the leadership role, and it is involving most of the youth, because youth are the medium of global change. Youth has that potential, and ISAC is the platform. So how did it all started? ISAC started with the vision of 7 members from 7 different countries, okay, who believe that peace can only be brought through cross-cultural exchange, okay. So they set up the global vision and they put forward their idea into a platform called ISAC that is now functioning in more than 100 plus countries with thousands of members all around. So how do ISAC provide you with all this opportunity? ISAC, that is functioning in more than 100 plus countries, are connected with the local partners, okay. They provide you with the opportunity for global leadership program. They provide you with opportunities for internship. They provide you with opportunities to become the member of ISAC. ISAC provide you with the opportunity to uncover your leadership quality, okay, that will make an impact beyond measures and the leadership quality that the world requires. How? Through the cross-cultural exchange. You cannot accept the world as it is right now. There are a lot of global conflicts happening on a daily basis. So this is a call for action. And I believe youth has that potential to unlock the door to a better world. And ISAC provides us with that same platform. I believe in the effect of ISAC in creating valuable driven leaders. Leaders that will not just participate, leaders that will not just generate ideas, leaders that will not just connect the world, but they will provide solution to the global problems, and we will do it together. ISAC has that confidence in youth, that youth has that passion, youth has that spirit to save the global community. At the same time, they are the one who can unlock the better future. So ISAC believes that the youth leadership is the only solution to the global problems. With that in mind, ISAC provides you with that platform. So at the end, I would just like to mention, come and join ISAC and be part of this global organization. Be that change maker. Thank you.